3.14159. This is pi followed by 2653589. Circumference over diameter 79, then 323. OMG, can't you see? 8462643, and now we're on a spree. 38 and 32, now we're blue. Oh, who knew? 7,950 and then a 2. 88 and 41, so much fun. Now we're on 97169393751. Halfway done. 458, now don't be late. 209, where's the wine? 74, it's on the floor. Then 94459. 230, we gotta go. 78, we can't wait. 1640628, we're almost near the end. Keep going. 62, we're getting through. 089, 9 on time. 8628034, there's only a few more. 82, then 53. 42, 11, 7, and 67. We're done. Was that fun? Learning random digits so that you can write to your friends.
Are you ready?